In this video, we're going to be subtracting polynomials. Subtracting polynomials is just like adding polynomials, but it has one very important step that you have to do at the beginning. After you do that very important step, then you're just going to be combining like terms, which means you're only changing the coefficient of each term. Before combining like terms, you must distribute the negative to all the terms in the polynomial behind it. Remember, distributing a negative is really just changing signs. We call that negative when it's right up in front of a parentheses a sign changer. So let's go ahead and subtract some polynomials. Example 4, we have 3x squared minus 2x plus 5 minus the polynomial x squared minus 3x plus 4. So the very first step is to change the signs in the polynomial behind the minus. So all of those terms have to flip signs. Right now that's a positive x squared. Sign changer makes it negative x squared. Right now it's a negative 3x. Sign changer makes it positive 3x. Right now it's a positive 4. Sign changer makes it a negative 4. Now we didn't do anything with the first polynomial, so I'm just going to bring those terms down just like they are. And now I'm just going to combine like terms. So I have a 3x squared and a minus 1x squared. When I put those together, I get 2x squared. I have a negative 2x and a positive 3x. When I put those together, that gives me 1x. And then I have a 5 minus 4, which is a positive 1. So my result is 2x squared plus x plus 1. Number 5, subtract x squared minus 2x plus 4 from 3x squared plus 6x minus 7. Now this is a very challenging problem because the very first thing that we need to do is write it as a subtraction problem. And because it has the word subtract from, that means I have to flip the order of the polynomials. I'm going to start with the polynomial at the end. So I'm going to rewrite 3x squared plus 6x minus 7 in front. And then I'm going to take away the polynomial x squared minus 2x plus 4. Now it's just like the previous example. It's a subtraction problem where we need to distribute the sign changer to all the terms in the second polynomial. So sign changer is going to make that a negative x squared, a positive 2x, and a negative 4. Notice that each term flipped the sign. We didn't do anything with the first polynomial, so I'm going to bring it down as 3x squared plus 6x minus 7. And now I just have to combine my like terms. So I have a 3x squared and a minus 1x squared, which will give me 2x squared. I have a 6x and a 2x. When I put those together, I get 8x. And I have negative 7 minus 4, which gives me negative 11. So my polynomial result is 2x squared plus 8x minus 11. And example number 6, we have 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 6x minus the polynomial negative 4x squared plus 5x plus 8. So notice that this problem already comes to us as a subtraction problem. So we're first just going to distribute sign changer. So it's a negative 4x squared. Sign changer will make it a positive 4x squared. It's a positive 5x. Sign changer will make it a negative 5x. It's a positive 8. Sign changer will make it a negative 8. We didn't do anything with the first polynomial, so I'll bring it down. 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 6x. And now I'll combine like terms. I have one term that is an x cubed term and no other term in the list of terms. I'm just going to bring down that 2x cubed. Then I'll move on to my squared terms. I've got negative 4x squared and a positive 4x squared. So essentially these two terms zero each other out, so I don't need to write that. Then I have a 6x and a minus 5x. When I put that together, that's a positive x. And then I just have one constant. I have a negative 8, so I'll just bring that down. So I have 2x cubed plus x minus 8 as my end result. So remember, it's super important, always distribute the sign changer first to all the terms. And I highly recommend that you rewrite it. Don't just think you'll remember to do it in your head. Rewrite each term with the flip sign.